think I got away. Hello again, sciencers. Today we have an awesome new episode. We're going to be hunting some oxygen. Now, first you're going to need to snare yourself a very deadly and very venomous bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Just kidding. It's not venomous or deadly, as long as you get the 3% solution. Anything above about 25% and, no, don't use that. That's what gets dangerous. Okay, next, you're going to need to snare yourself some manganese dioxide. Now, this little bugger hides in plain sight. I got it out of batteries. So, you're going to need to crack open them batteries, then take out the black, pasty, powdery stuff. Probably wearing gloves, as you see me wearing, because I don't know if it's an irritant or not, and I, frankly, don't want to test that bit out. So, wear gloves. It's easier. Then, once you have enough manganese dioxide, you only need about the amount I showed you there. You will need an apparatus. A glass bottle? Well, yes, it is a glass bottle. Then you're going to need this little doohickey. So, let me explain. This is a larger glass bottle compared to this one, but a smaller one compared to this one. So, now that we've got that out of the way, this is a piece of Play-Doh. Or putty, or anything really. Now, you need 2 plastic medical tubes. Now, what you're going to do is, you're going to stick one of equal length. You need to be about this long. You don't really know what that is, I realise, but it's about like... Just get 2 feet of it and cut it how you want. Anyway, you take it. Now, you make a stopper out of the putty. You stick 1 medical tube in, and you make sure that the bottle is filled up to about here with water. You stick one of them into the putty, and the putty acts as a stopper. It acts as a 2-hole stopper. So, one of the tubes goes down to the bottom of the water, like this. Okay, the other one, here, goes and stops before the water. You hear that? Before. Now, watch this. It fits like a glove, because I made it do that. Gotta think. Now, once you've got that out of the way, you can obviously see that this one is for this small little thing here, this large one, and this one over here is for the large bottle. Now, this is a wine bottle, I realise. I didn't drink it. I just found it. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Now, you stick this one in here. Don't add putty. Whatever you do, do not. This needs to be open. And the reaction is going to happen in here. When you pour, first you're going to put the hydrogen peroxide in it. Like so. Next, you're just going to have it sit on top there, so none spills out. Then, you're going to get this all set up so that it's nice and comfortable looking. It doesn't actually have feelings. I don't know what comfortable means. Make sure this is in here, because the water, when the oxygen travels through this tube and goes into here, and it stops, and the oxygen comes in the part that has no water in it, the empty part here. It's going to push the water down, pushing it up through the tube. Here, this is a better side. Through the tube. It's going to go up and around into this one. And this is going to fill with water and catch it, because water everywhere is terrible. It's a terrible mess, it's a terrible nuisance, and it pisses off my mother, which is the most important thing. Don't piss off her. Like literally, that's rule number 1, next to safety. I mean, it's kind of her kitchen. Whatever. So, that was a close one. You ready to begin? Gotta remember I'm wearing a hat. First, you take your plastic curved scoopy thingy. Named precisely what I said. Plastic curved scoopy thingy. All metal. As long as it doesn't react with manganese dioxide. Then, you take your manganese dioxide, like so. I'm going to move this all to the side, like that. Okay. Yeah, scoop up some of it. Let me just do this over here. Okay, you gotta get a good amount of it. Okay, like that. Then, here we go. So, take this off carefully. Okay, you put it in, and boom. You see, I did the test wrong. I'm an idiot. Hello there. Okay, so what I did before was incorrect. I realised that. Now, as long as you still got some manganese dioxide left and you don't have to get some more, well, then you can keep on going. Make sure that you weren't doing that experiment at the same time that I was, or else you did it wrong. Because that doesn't work. Now, you need a wooden splint. In this case, a chopstick. Now, you need... Where are they? I hunted down one of the many tribe of matches. Now, you need to light the match, okay? There we are. Now, you need to take your splint and light it. Now, why are you not using the match? Well, that's because the match is already burning and I need something that'll just hold a little glowing bit for a very, very long time. Like so. Now, you put it like this inside. What? Blown out, okay? Blown out. I can do this all day. Hello again, sciences. I have the revised apparatus here. So, same huge bottle, except only the one leading to the reaction chamber, and only the tube leading to the reaction chamber, and only a straw. No water in this at all. Make sure that the tube leading to the reaction chamber and into this bottle goes from the top of the reaction chamber, starts here, and goes all the way around to the bottom. And this straw only ends at the top. Now, we repeat. Yeah. Snag yourself some hydrogen peroxide. You gently pour some in. Stop. That's good. That's good. Then you take your curved plastic scoopy thingy. Your curved plastic scoopy thingy. It's an official term. Or glass or metal, as long as the metal doesn't react with magnesium dioxide or hydrogen peroxide, because that would be bad. Then you scoop up some of that magnesium dioxide. Make sure you're wearing your gloves so you don't irritate your skin. Because, I don't know, some people might be allergic to it or something. Don't quite know. But you know what? Don't really want to. You scoop some up, like so. I've scooped some up. You can't see it at the moment. But then you pour it in quickly and put on the cap. And now, well, now comes the fun part. Because now, my friend, you're snagging yourself some oxygen. Make sure it's good and tied on. It's all air sealed. Oxygen in a bottle. Well, I hope you enjoyed the episode, and that's how you catch yourself some oxygen. And remember, keep on sciencing.